A lot of people have been asking me to show them a platform where they can be making money for themselves for free without investment, without capital, only by selling products online. So in this video, I'm going to show you a platform where you can be selling products and be making money for yourself every blessed day. Each product you sell, you are going to receive a commission. It's just like an affiliate marketing platform where you make money by selling products. You don't need to upload any product. You don't even need to buy this product. All you just have to do is just to share your link to the people who need this product. And the more those people buy this product, the more money you will be making. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can get this product, how you can get your affiliate link and start making money for yourself every day. And you can withdraw this money to your own local bank account. So if that sounds so interesting to you, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well and hit that subscribe button right now and also the notification bell so that when next I drop more videos like this on how you can be making massive money for yourself every blessed day, every month, you should also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me give you a platform which you can use and be making money for yourself every day without investment, without capital, just by selling product, just like affiliating. This is what we call affiliate marketing. Now, to get started, head over to the description of this video and you'll see the first link or the comment section of this video. The link you see, click on the link, and when you click on the link, it will take you to the website where you get registered and start copying your affiliate link. Now, let me take you through how you get everything done in less than 1 minute. Let's get started. And to get started, all you have to do is to go to the description of this video or the comment section of this video, the first link, you click on it and it will take you to Jumia.com. Jumia also have an affiliate that a lot of people don't know, and you can make money from Jumia affiliate. As you can see, it have fashion. As you can see, on fashion, these are the what you'll be earning for every commission for fashion, for watches. If anybody buys something from Jumia using your link, you'll be earning some commission. Imagine something that they bought from 100,000 naira, you'll be earning some 8 commission, 6 commission, 2 commission, depend on something they buy on Jumia. And you can use Jumia, and also you can use this platform called Konga. Konga is also an affiliate platform which you can be selling products and you'll be making money. And this platform, you don't need to have any money. You can do it at the comfort of your home. You can do it on the comfort of your home. All you just have to do is just to register on them, and it's free. And after you register, you are going to be selling product to people and you'll be making money as an affiliate. Every product you sell, you make money. Every product you sell, you make money. Don't worry, I will show you how you register and how you get started, and also how you'll be posting those products and how people will be buying this product and you'll be making sell. Don't worry, I will show you. But right now, first of all, let me show you how you can register on Jumia affiliate so that you can be selling products and be making money for yourself without you investing any money, without you buying this product. Everything is going to be done online. Now, all you have to do is to click on the link in the description of this video. It will bring you to an interface like this. And the next thing you are going to do is to click on join for free. Let me show you how you can register on Konga, and I will also show you how you can register on Jumia affiliate, and you'll be selling products and you'll be making money. And you can also sell products on AliExpress. You can sell products on AliExpress, become their affiliate and make money. A lot of brand, a lot of platforms which sell products like this, you can register as an affiliate and be selling products and be making money. Now, what you need to do is just to click on get started here, and you fill all your information. For example, let me fill all my information right now, and after I fill my information, I'm going to show you guys what you need to do next. After you fill that information, it will also bring you to an interface like this that it will tell you to put your contact address, your country, your state, your phone number. If you have a website, you can put your website here. So now all you have to do is just to put your, let me also fill these informations right now. Now, after you fill all information, all you have to do is to click on registered. And you are going to be registered. And after you are registered, they are going to review and approve your application. And after they approve your application, the next thing you are going to see is where you are going to be copying your link and be selling product. You can also apply for Temu affiliate. Temu also have an affiliate which you can be selling product and you'll be making money. Now let me take you to Jumia so that I'll show you guys. And we have a lot of platform in Nigeria here that you can be partner with and as an affiliate, and you'll be making money. Such like Sell, Market 24, all they have a lot of them. If you need them, let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to send you the links to those platforms which you can register just as an affiliate, and you'll be promoting product and you'll be making some cool cash for yourself. So working as an affiliate marketer will earn you a lot of money. I've made a video on how you can start register as an affiliate and how you'll be promoting your products as an affiliate and how you'll be making money as an affiliate. I will also drop down the link to that video in the description of this video or the comment section of this video. Make sure you go and watch that video so that you know how to follow up this video and be making money for yourself as an affiliate marketer in this 2025. Staying in Nigeria and you are not making any money with your mobile phone, then you are missing a lot. So make sure you use your phone and start making money in this 2025 being as an affiliate marketer. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Thank you for watching. I still remain Numpe Flavor TV.